Good morning, students. Good morning, students. I want to teach you the minimization of POS forms. The problem is given in this way. F of A, B, C, D is equal to pi of M 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 15. The problem is given in this way. So the pi is representing the problem. It is given in the form of POS. So how we are going to minimize this problem? Okay, using Kmap. That is what you have to learn here. So how for this, how you have implemented for the SOP form, the same you are going to implement in the POS form directly when the min terms are given in the form of the numbers like 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 15. In this way the min terms are given. How you are going to simplify the POS problem using K-maps. That is what. So for this you need to draw the K-map like this. Draw the K-map like this. And so the ABCDs are given this way. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here the numbers are given 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 15. How you have written the ones for the min terms for the SOP, the same way you will be writing this 4, 6, 10, 12, 13, 15 are the max terms. But here you have to, there you will be writing representing by ones. Here you have to represent it by zeros. So the passion of ones will be in this way, because for 4 means what you will be doing 1 triple 0, 1 triple sorry, not for 4 it is 0 1 double 0, and for 6 it is 0 1 1 0. Here it is, and for 10 it is um, 1010. So where is your 1010? It is over here. So you will be writing this way. Similarly for others also you will be writing this way. So this is the how the pattern of zeros are looking like. So for this, how you are doing the grouping. Instead of ones, you will be writing zeros. That is the difference for the SOP and POS. And while writing the answer, that is simplified answer, there is a little bit change that I want to show you. So now the group will be the same how you have done with the SOP form. So like this, you need to do the grouping, and you can group this way, and you can group this is not linked with any other zeros, and this is also not linked with any other zeros. This is what. So that is how you can do. Otherwise you can group this zero means again you will get extra grouping. So that is one. So you have to group in this way. Okay, so when you're writing the answer, how you're going to write down the answer, that is f is equal to how much it is. If suppose we will give the name for the grouping 1, and this is for 2, and this is for 3, and this is for 4. Okay, some different colors I am representing for different groups. So the first one is when you're writing the first one, so how you'll write down the answer for this. F is equal to, so what will be the answer for this? So while writing the answer, what is the common term over this both? It is B. So we can have the write down the values no, not necessary. Let us write it directly. So what is the common term over this? It is B. It is B. Otherwise, I will make it more clear. For POS, how it is? It is A plus B. Then here it will be equal to A plus B complement. Here it is equal to A complement plus B complement. This will be equal to A complement plus B. This will be equal to again CD means it will be again C complement plus D complement. This will be equal to C plus D complement. This is equal to C plus D complement, and this will be equal to C plus C complement plus D. This is what. So what is the common term for this both? This two, it is B complement. So that is what you will be writing here. B complement plus plus, and what is the terms over here? It is C complement plus D complement. C complement plus D complement. That is what we are writing over here for the first term. Okay. And next one is, what is the next color? It is second yellow. For yellow color, for yellow. So that is again you will put a dot like this and you have to write like this. So for the second one is what? A complement plus B complement. A complement plus B complement. Okay, and what is the different common for this both? It is D complement. So that is plus D complement. That is what. So again, if you go for the next one, that is third one is for green color. If you go for this, what will be the value for this? The value will be equal to, this is plus A plus B complement plus C complement plus D. Okay, and for the next one, that is which color? Fourth one, maroon color. If you go for this color, and what will be the value for this? It will be equal to A complement plus B plus C complement plus D. The difference is, this is what we have. So this is the how we write down the answer. So this is the how the difference for the SOP and POS form is, when the number, when the problem is given in the form of numbers, what you will do is you will be writing the same how you have followed for the SOP form. After writing that, means you have to represent those terms in the form of zeros, and the grouping will be the same. But actually for SOP form, what will happen is, for SOP it is, for SOP it is, you will be writing like it as A complement B complement. But when you come for the POS, you have to write in this way. Again for SOP, it will be equal to A complement into B. That is what. So that there is a difference, and when you, and after that you have to write based on these values. You have to see the common variable, and based on that you have to write down the simplification. That is how you have to find out the simplification by using the Kmaps. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Okay, then let me tell you how to, this is what, how for the minimization of SOP, and if the problem is given in the form of